Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to the e-learning classes of DAV Moyle Public School. Subject Agriculture. Our today's topic is Floral Biology. Flower is a reproductive organ of plant bearing pistil, stamens, calyx and corolla. Male part of a flower is androecium, consists of anther sac, anthers and pollen grains, while female part is gynoecium, having ovary, style and stigma. Inside the ovule, egg cells is present, which forms the embryo, part of seed after fertilization with male nucleus. Types of flowers. First one is perfect bisexual flower. The flower is said to be perfect when it contains both male and female parts. Second one is imperfect, that is unisexual. When flowers contains either male or female part, the flower is said to be imperfect. Now the question arises, what is pollination? Pollination is the process by which pollen is transferred from the anther, that is male part, to the stigma, which is female part of the plant, thereby enabling fertilization and seed formation inside the ovary. In angiosperms, fertilization involves the participation of two male nuclei of pollen tube. One male nuclei fuse with the egg nucleus to form the diploid zygote, and the other with two polar nuclei to produce a triploid nucleus, which is called primary endosperm, and this whole process is called double fertilization and triple fusion. Types of pollination. Based on transfer of pollen from anther to stigma, pollination is classified into two groups. First one is self-pollination, that is autogamy. When pollen grains are transferred from an anther to the stigma of the same flower, the process is called self-pollination. Second one is cross-pollination, which is allogamy. If pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of another flower, then process is known as cross-pollination. Based on pollination behavior, crosses are classified under three categories, that is self-pollinated crops, example wheat, rice, most of the pulses crops. Second, often cross-pollination crops, example arhar, castor. Third one is cross-pollinated crops, example maize and bajra. Mechanisms which favor self-pollination. First one is perfect flower. It is the presence of both male and female part of the flower which favors the self-pollination. Example rice, wheat, green gram, etc. Next one is homogamy. Maturation of male and female parts of flower on same time is called homogamy. Example rice, wheat, barley and pulses crops. Third one is cleistogamy. It is the type of flower in which pollination always occurs inside the closed flower which promote the self-pollination. Example rice, wheat. And the fourth one is flower structure. Some flowers have special structure around the male part which promotes the self-pollination. Example tomato and pulses crops. Mechanisms which favor cross-pollination. First one is bisexual flowers. When both male and female parts are present on the different flowers, then it promotes the cross-pollination. Example castor, papaya, etc. Second one is dichogamy. Sometimes male or female part matures slightly at different times. If this nature is called a dichogamy, which favors the cross-pollination, and in this process, if male part anther of the flower matures first, then it is called protandry. Example maize. While if female part mature, that is ovary first, then flower is called protogamy. Example, bajra. Next one is hercogamy. In this type of mechanism, some structures present or prevent the self-pollination and promotes cross-pollination in bisexual flowers. Example, alfalfa. Next one is male sterility. Male sterility is defined as the absence of or non-functions of pollen grains in plants or incapability of plant to produce or release functional pollen grains, and this mechanism promotes the cross-pollination. Example, cotton, bajra, etc. And the last one is self-incompatibility. It refers to the failure of pollen to fertilize the same flower or other flower of the same plant, or it is the failure of pollen tube to penetrate the full length of style and affect fertilization. The example, mustard, cauliflower and cabbage, etc. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.